Hi everyone. Let's see. I haven't picked a pattern yet, so let's do that together. I picked a piece of paper. Bleh. Say that multiple times fast. Let's go on to Pinterest and go into my Pinterest boards under saved. Come on. Oh. Let's do a flower-like pattern. I'm just going to scroll randomly up and down, back and forth, up and down, and I'm going to pick that one, whatever that one turns out to be. This one is called Fission, Fission, and it looks like it's a low resolution. Sorry guys, but it looks like the first thing we do is do a circle, and then we do some circles around that circle, and then some around that circle to make like a nucleus, and then we bring some lines out and put circles at the ends of those, and so forth and so on until we just grow them however big we want it to get. This one says it's fissions with fissions, so they did one in the middle and then more multiples around the outside. That looks cool. Let's do that. Turn on my light. Looks like a simple one, easy to do today, nothing complicated. I'm going to draw with a color. I'm going to draw with purple. Draw with purple. See what happens. So we're going to just do some circles with circles. You are very far away, or I'm drawing very small, one or the other, but in either case, let's fix that by bringing you closer. Look at there. Okay, and then on the outside of these circles, we do more circles. Like that. And then we do lines coming out. I'm going to do long lines coming out of this one, so I can do more clusters here. Something simple. Trying to make a whole bunch of artwork for giveaways on my next cruise. We are doing another cruise gift exchange. I like to put my art in those. Start with those like that. Oh, there goes the cap to my pen. Remember me that it's on the floor, okay, you guys? And then we're going to do some random sticky out bits. being a little loose with these. I could be a little more careful with my circles. They're being a bit random and a bit loose. It's definitely flower-like, isn't it? Giving off flower vibes. The nice thing about flowers is that since they don't grow in a specific manner, you can kind of draw them however you want, right? I'm going to zoom you out just a little bit because you can't see what I just did. And I'm going to give this kind of a border like that. I'm going to put another one here. I really like just this quick sketchy thing, and I'm okay with it if it doesn't look like a tangle pattern in particular. That I'm not being precious about it. I'm actually feeling good that this looks like a fun flower that I would like to pick from my garden. Doesn't it? Absolutely. Sort of baby's breath like. It's kind of awesome. One more. I'm going to make sure that this has plenty of stem and that this one has a stem coming up this way. Maybe further. kind of hurrying as well because I have got to go to work sooner than later. And I don't want to be in the middle of this when it's time for me to go. Oh, I didn't put the other ones. It needs more around. I'm getting looser and looser as I draw. You noticed that? You probably have. Oh, I really like that. Oop, wrong direction. I really like that. I want to put some leaves, some long kind of skinny leaves in here. Like that. Maybe. I like that. I like that a lot. What was this one called? Fission. I like that just as it is. I might do a little bit of shading. Oops. Hang on a second. I forgot. I already forgot. My lid was down on the floor. Pick that up. Okay. Maybe a little shading. Do I want to do graphite shading or do I want to do pen shading? We'll do graphite. Let's do graphite. We're just going to be loose about it and just give it just like these clusters. We'll have a bit of shading around the edge. They're not going to be super duper because the whole thing is really loose. So the whole thing's just going to get some loose shading. Big fat shading. Something like that. And then it needs, you know what I'm going to say, right? Absolutely. Needs a bit of white. Where's my white pen? I've lost my white pen. Where'd she go? She ended up somewhere. Where'd she go? Seriously. There's my pencil. Where's my pen? Paints don't belong on my table. I don't know where she went. Oh my. She's gone. Well, we'll go with the pencil. I wanted the pen. Pencil's all right. Pen would have been easier. But the pencil's doing its job. And you see I'm being super fluid and loose with it as well, because the whole thing is a fluid sort of a thing. So it doesn't need to be perfect or precise. Just needs to give the illusion of a bit of highlights. We're going to highlight the edge of the leaves, the stem coming up. This one's on the outside or closer to us and shining in the sun. Middle bits get a little more shade. That's good. Perfect. I'm happy with that, and that's a quick, easy one. You guys have a great day. I will see you on the next video. Like I said, I'm working on getting videos for giving away when I go on my next trip. So if you are somebody who found this or who got gifted this, welcome to my channel. And I will hope you enjoyed the gift. I will see you guys on the next video. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Give away your art. Make someone happy. You know, doesn't cost me much. A little bit of time, a little bit of paper, a little bit of ink. But I could gift some happiness, a smile, some joy to someone else. And that is the whole point. So you guys have a great day. I will see you later. Bye-bye.